Hello friends, today one of you asked me to recommend a simplified composite polishing system. Though there are a lot of brands that give you beautiful polishing systems, this Diatech all-in-one kit is a very simplified system as it has everything that is required from finishing to the final polishing. So we have two red band burrs, which is for the fine finishing. Then we have the tungsten carbide burrs, which are very special, the 12 fluted tungsten carbide burrs in two different shapes for finishing of the composites. And there is an extra fine finishing burr which is in yellow grit. And then we have something that's very rare to see, which is a white band finishing burr, which is the ultra fine. And then we have the 30 fluted TC burrs. Again, I told you TC burrs are always special, and these 30 fluted burrs give a very smooth surface, and unlike the diamond burrs, they don't leave behind the abrasive marks. They leave a very smooth surface, which that's why they recommended for the final finishing. And then we also have the silicone polishing disc in different shapes, and there is also this Brushshine brush which can be used either alone or with any of the polishing paste to get the final gloss. So the cost of this kit is around 4,800 to 5,000. That's it for today's video, and see you all soon in our next video.